Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So tell me, look here, what is day today? Today is 5th July 2021 and today the day is Monday. What is day today? Monday. So today is the first day of this week. Today is Monday and our subject is maths. First, I will show you some objects that will make the difference between thick and thin. Thick and thin. Okay? Thick. Thick means mota. Thin. Thick and thin. So first I will show you some objects. Some of them were thick, some of them are thin. Okay? After that you have to do one activity. And then I will show you your maths book. Today in the maths I am going to teach you topic about thick and thin. Thick and thin. Do like this. Thick and thin. Okay. I want to show you one thing. Can you see this brush? Yes. Okay, tell me. This one is thick or thin? Thick. Thin. Now, tell me. Now you can say this one is thick, not thin. Why? Because we are doing the comparison. When we are doing the comparison, in that case we can say which one is thick and which one is thin. Suppose I am having the only one. How can we say that this is thick? We can't say. Now we can say this is thick and this is thin. When we do the comparison between two, then we can say which one is thick and which one is thin. Now, look here. Here can you see pictures? What are these? Brinjals. Can you tell me which one is thick? This one. This one is thick. This one is thin. Now look here. Bones. This bone is thick. This bone is thin. Right? Now I want to show you some more pictures related to thick and thin. And one more thing, you have to do one page of your maths book on this topic and you have to do one more activity. Right? But before this I want to show you some objects. Now look at here. Two markers. We can do the comparison. This marker is thick and this marker is thin. Now, can you see these two books? Now, we can do the comparison. This one is thin and this one is thick. See, do the comparison. Thin and thick. Can you see these two bottles? This one is thick bottle and this one is thin bottle. Thick, thin. Now, see these pencils. This one is thick and this one is thin. Now, see, look here. These two boxes. This one is thick, and this one is thin, thin. Look this page. In this page, I have drawn two trees. This one is thick and this one is thin. What you have to do? You have to do lady finger impression. What is this? This is a lady finger. You have to do the impression of lady finger. In which one? In thick one. You have to do lady finger impression in thick tree. Right? So I am going to take this brush and now I will show you how you have to do. First you have to do like this and then make impression on the thick one. In this way you have to do the lady finger impression. This activity also you have to do. So you have to do two things. First you have to complete the book page, and after that you have to do the lady finger impression in a picture of a tree. In the thick one you have to do the lady finger impression, right? This activity also you have to do, right? This is your maths book, page number 8. Thick and thin. Thick means मोटा and thin means जो पतला होता है, thin. Color the thick object in each box. So here we can see two candles. This candle is thick. We can do the comparison. In the comparison we can see this candle is thick and this candle is thin. So this is thick in size and this is thin. So you have to do color in thick one. Okay, thick candle. Now here we can see two bread slice. This is thin and this is thick. So you have to do the color in the thick one. In this bread you will do the color. Why? Because this is thick. Now here thread. This round is thick and this is thin. So you have to do color in thick one. Here we can see quilt. So you have to find out which one is thick and which one is thin, and according to you have to do color in the thick one. Okay, now come to this side. Color the thickest book and cross the thinnest book. Here we can see 4 books. Now you have to do the comparison. आपको यहाँ comparison करना है, देखना है कि सबसे thickest means सबसे मोटी कौन सी है. This one is the thickest. So you have to do color in it, the thickest, and cross the thinnest one. Thinnest means patla, and this one is the thinnest. So you have to make a cross on it. Understood? Color the thickest book. You have to do color in it and cross the thinnest book, and then you have to make a cross on this thinnest book. So in this way you have to complete the concept thick and thin. Okay, so complete activity that I have told you. You have to do the lady finger activity and then you have to complete page number 8 of your maths book. Fine, complete both the work, send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.